Is Harmony Cove Hotel Jamaica a waste of beachland? If Andrew Holness is serious about doubling Jamaican tourism industry from 4 million to 8 million visitors each year, then he needs to stop allowing a 1,000 rooms hotel to be built on 2,000 acres of beachland. Neither Andrew Holness or Edmund Bartlett seems to understand that it will take 100,000 new hotel rooms to host an extra 4 million visitors each year. That is 100 all-inclusive hotels at 1,000 rooms each that is needed to host an extra 4 million visitors each year. Hence, the Jamaican government need to start maximizing the number of hotel rooms that it allows on a particular size of beachland. First, let us have a look at what are the features of the Harmony Cove Hotel in Jamaica. Harmony Cove is an ambitious resort development planned for Trelawny, Jamaica, situated approximately 30 minutes east of Montego Bay and 45 minutes west of Ocho Rios. Envisioned as a world-class destination, the resort aims to offer a diverse array of amenities and accommodations. Planned features accommodations. The resort plans to include a mix of lodging options, such as hotels and single-family residences, catering to various guest preferences. Casino. A full-service casino is among the proposed amenities, adding a vibrant entertainment option for guests. Golf championship-level golf courses are planned, appealing to golf enthusiasts seeking premium facilities. Spa and wellness comprehensive spa services and fitness centers are intended to provide relaxation and wellness opportunities. Entertainment and events. The development includes plans for signature entertainment venues and special event spaces to host a variety of performances and gatherings. Convention and meeting spaces. Facilities for conventions and meetings are part of the design, accommodating business events and conferences. Retail and dining. A variety of retail shops and fine dining establishments are planned to enhance the guest experience. Beach and marine activities. Guests will have access to a range of beach and marine activities, taking advantage of Jamaica's coastal beauty. The resort's design emphasizes the creation of a town center featuring intimate streets and gracious stone plazas arranged around a yacht harbor. This area is envisioned to reflect the spirit of colonial seaside villages that have evolved into vacation destinations. The marina is planned to accommodate yachts up to 300 feet in length and will be connected to the Caribbean Sea by canals lined with houses. Residential neighborhoods and a boutique hotel are proposed for the hills above the town center, all while respecting the natural environment by concentrating development to conserve much of the existing Jamaican landscape. As of now, Harmony Cove remains in the planning stages, and specific details about its features and opening dates are subject to change. For the most current information, it is advisable to consult official sources or contact the developers directly. Personally, I think Harmony Cove is a waste of beachland. That 2,300-acre property should have had 20,000 all-inclusive hotel rooms built on it. That property could have been divided into 20 by 100 acres plots of land and be franchised to 20 separate hotels of 1,000 rooms each to provide jobs for the local people. That would still leave 300 acres of land to do the luxury things that the government is envisioning. Or the government could have franchised 20 hotels at 1,000 rooms each on 65 acres of land for each of the 20 hotels. That would leave 1,000 acres of land for the government to do its luxury events and accommodations on that 2,300 acres property. Bearing in mind that in some Caribbean countries, a 1,000 rooms hotel is built on 30 acres of land. Or some RIU hotels in Jamaica, like the one at Bloody Bay Beach in Negril, have 420 rooms on 25 acres of land. Hence, a 1,000 rooms hotel on 65 acres of land is quite feasible, and would be considered a large plot of land in many countries around the world. The Jamaican government needs to understand that hotels can be stocked one beside each other like supermarkets on the high street. This is how many hotels are built in Europe and the USA. It's one hotel next to each other, sometimes joining each other like stores on the high street. This is what the Jamaican government needs to do if they are serious about hosting another 4 million visitors per year. Bearing in mind that Jamaica needs to host another 8 million visitors each year to match the Barbados tourism industry. Hence, hosting an additional 4 million visitors each year still puts Jamaica far behind most of its Caribbean neighbors in terms of visitor numbers per population size. Jamaica would need an extra 100,000 hotel rooms to host an extra 4 million visitors per year to our country, bearing in mind that at the end of 2023, Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave Edmund Bartlett a command to double the tourism sector from 4 million visitors to 8 million visitors each year. However, the tourism minister gets his visitor numbers to hotel ratio all mixed up. I have heard Mr. Bartlett quoting wrong numbers on a number of occasions. For example, at the groundbreaking ceremony for the Princess Resort Hotel, Mr. Bartlett said that this hotel with 2,000 rooms operating at 50% capacity will add another 350,000 visitors each year to Jamaica, which was an error on Edmund Bartlett's part. Mr. Bartlett was making a very big mistake. He was counting the number of hotel rooms versus the number of nights in the year. What Edmund Bartlett forgot to calculate was that the average number of nights that each guest stays in Jamaica is 10 nights, not 1 night. Hence, the Princess Resort Hotel will add an extra 35,000 visitors to Jamaica each year according to Edmund Bartlett's calculations, not 350,000 visitors as the tourism minister was calculating. Hence, I would propose modifying the current Harmony Cove plan to accommodate 20,000 hotel rooms, or a new site should be developed with this vision in mind. The vision to start stocking hotels next to each other on large acreages of beach land. Divide the land into 100 acres lots, then franchise off the properties for 1,000 hotel rooms on each 100 acres plot of land. My vision emphasizes large-scale employment and economic benefits for the local community, which aligns with my broader goal of using tourism to reduce crime and provide opportunities for Jamaican youths. A development of that scale could significantly impact Trelawny's economy, creating thousands of jobs in hospitality, construction, and related industries. Modifying the Harmony Cove plan to include 20,000 all-inclusive hotel rooms would create a massive tourism hub, generating significant employment and economic growth. This approach would require extensive infrastructure planning, investment, and collaboration with the Jamaican government and private sector developers. I would also propose expanding roads, utilities, and transportation links in the area to support such a large-scale project, though most of this is already in the planning stages. For example, the $2 billion Northern Coastal Highway project, etc. What is the size of Trelawny's population and how many people could be employed if the hotel in Harmony Cove was 20,000 rooms? As of the 2011 census, Trelawny Parish in Jamaica had a population of approximately 75,164 residents. In the hospitality industry, the employee-to-room ratio varies depending on factors such as hotel class and location. For instance, five-star hotels often employ about 0.71 staff members per room. In developing countries, this ratio can be higher, sometimes around 2 staff members per room. Applying these ratios to a proposed 20,000-room hotel complex at Harmony Cove, at 0.71 employees per room, approximately 14,200 employees would be needed. At 2 employees per room, approximately 40,000 employees would be required. These employment figures represent a significant portion of Trelawny's population and could have substantial economic implications for the parish. Harmony Cove is an expansive resort development planned in Jamaica. As of the most recent updates, it is designed to be a large-scale luxury resort complex located on the north coast of the island. Some of the anticipated features of Harmony Cove include accommodations. The development is expected to offer thousands of hotel rooms and luxury villas. These accommodations aim to provide high-end lodging experiences for guests. Golf courses. Plans often mention multiple championship golf courses, catering to golf enthusiasts. Entertainment and dining. The resort is to host a variety of dining and entertainment options, including restaurants, bars, and possibly a casino, to cater to various tastes and preferences. Marina and beach access. With its coastal location, Harmony Cove is expected to feature a marina and direct beach access for aquatic activities. Wellness and spa facilities. High-end spa and wellness services are typically part of such resort offerings, providing relaxation and rejuvenation options for visitors. Regarding the land size, Harmony Cove is often reported to encompass approximately 2,300 acres of land. However, it's important to note that plans for large-scale developments like Harmony Cove can evolve over time, and details may change as the project progresses. This is part 5 of my theme titled $30 billion repatriation money available for Jamaica to claim, funding to build 30,000 affordable housing units each year, employing 300,000 Jamaicans in permanent full-time jobs, and earning an extra $10 billion each year for the country's GDP. Some key features of the $30 billion repatriation funding program are 120 hotels to be built across Jamaica, especially near areas with high unemployment rates, earning an extra $10 billion each year for Jamaica, providing 300,000 permanent full-time jobs for low-skilled citizens in rural parishes across Jamaica, 300,000 affordable housing units to be built over the next 10 years, from 2025 to 2034, 30,000 to be built each year. Franchises for the 120 large all-inclusive hotels will be given to foreign direct investment over the next 1 to 5 years, from 2025 to 2029. Each hotel costing approximately $250 million to build, totaling $30 billion, all paid for by the foreign direct investments repatriation money coming back to Jamaica. Hope you have enjoyed part 5 of my current series. Look out for part 6. Thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button. Share this video in your WhatsApp groups and send it to all your friends, as we try to demonstrate how the tourism industry can transform lives in Jamaica. Remember to let us know what you think about this video by leaving your comments below. God bless you, God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace and love.